This is Mai with Miss Wagashi TV. Today I will be showing you how to make Strawberry Daifuku. 皆さんこんにちは。Miss Wagashi TV へようこそ。今日はいちご大福の作り方をお教えしたいと思います。
Here are ingredients. I will be using white bean paste, but you can substitute red bean paste. If you are unable to find potato starch, you can use cornstarch for dusting. Choose medium-sized strawberry that will be easy to handle. Divide your bean paste into 4. Round them and make 4 balls. Let's prepare the filling of Daifuku. First, flatten the ball of bean paste. Place a strawberry onto the center and wrap it in the bean paste. Each filling is about 30 grams. Cover your work surface with potato starch. Let's make the dough. Mix the glutinous rice flour and sugar in a microwave-safe container. Add about 1/3 of water to the container. Dissolve the sugar and remove the crumbs of the glutinous rice flour. I'm gonna heat this in microwave for 1 minute at 500 watts. If you don't have a microwave oven, you can steam the dough for about 15 minutes. Mix with the spatula. Place the mixture back in the microwave and heat for another 1 minute. Remove from the microwave and mix with the spatula. The dough is very sticky now. Place the dough onto the potato starch dusted surface. Sprinkle the starch over the dough. Now, I will show you how to wrap the strawberry balls. Cut the dough into 30 grams each. Flatten the dough and set the strawberry tip side down onto the dough. Pull the dough and pinch the edges of dough together until sealed. using a brush, dust the daifuku with potato starch. Otherwise, the daifuku will stick onto your fingers.
Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV. I hope the information is useful. I'll be very happy if you could subscribe my channel. Miss Wagashi TV をご覧いただきありがとうございました。チャンネル登録ぜひよろしくお願いします。それではまたお会いしましょう。See you soon! バイバイ